So the hair that I have is purple, red, and blue. All right, and here's what the hair looks like inside of the package. It is the Janet collection in ombre. Y'all, I was so excited to find this because the only hair that I saw were the solid colors, and I went to several beauty supply stores and I found it. I found it. Look at how bright and vibrant this blue is. It is beautiful, and it has the black mixed in at the roots. Oh my God, I was so excited because I did not want the solid color all the way down. Here's a look at the burgundy ombre. Yes, burgundy. They do have the bright red, which I thought about getting that, but the color combination, I felt like it would look better with the burgundy instead of the bright red. And it's still bright. Like, that is a bright burgundy, okay? And this one also has the darker roots. I wish they had like a true ombre where it was solid black at the top and just the tips were colored, but okay, we're going to make this work out. And I also have that purple, so I feel like all three of these colors are just going to blend in and give me a nice pop, a nice little, something crazy, something different for the summer. YOLO, we only live once, so we have to try what we can try and do what we do. All right, guys, so I'm back. I have completed about 85% of my hair. I got the red and the blue popping through. I still have to do my ends. This is what the back looks so far. All right, I'm going to show you how I install it. All right, so I take 3 strands of the hair. Now, with this particular hair, I tried to do it with 2. But I can only use the 2 around my edges, especially where it was fine. And the reason why is because this hair is actually pretty thin. If you know anything about like the traditional type, the normal, the old packs of Marley hair, the strands are a lot thicker. So I feel like I could use 2 of those, but with this particular hair, I had to use 3. And this stuff tangles, y'all. This stuff tangles. All right, so I can't run my fingers through it like I normally do with the other Marley hair, and I have on nails, so that's kind of messing with the way I grip. But when I do my own hair, I just flip it over like this, and then I install it by splitting. Right. So what I do is I'll split my hair, and I'll start braiding it almost like a mini cornrow, like 1 or 2 times. And then I'll just add it to it. Okay. Just watch. Just watch. Alright. So I'm going to loop it around the first piece. Pull it. And then grab the rest of my hair. Alright. And then I'm just going to braid it down normally. See, here's my hair. So I'm just going to use my hair as a 3rd strand. And then when I feel like I've braided it enough, I'm going to add it to the side that does not have a lot of my hair. Okay, and then I'm just going to start twisting. And it really doesn't matter which way you twist. It just matters which way you come out of your braid. So whichever way you finish off your braid, you want to start twisting that way. Because sometimes I twist the other way. And I like to twist with Marley hair because it matches my texture a lot better. And when it starts to get old, I feel like it just blends in a lot better. Yeah, I've been struggling with these twists. Let me tell you. Struggling with these twists. Why? Because of these nails. I did not think this through when I decided to go get my nails done, honey. Right. So we just gonna keep twisting all the way down to the end, and I like to borrow, and it helps to lock it in place. This particular, well, today I'm not sure if I'm going to curl the ends just because I'm pressed for time. This is the next day. So when I started recording last night, I started a little bit too late and I had to get up to go to work this morning. So I just really did my edges and I wore it in a bun, and now I'm just going to finish it off for the rest of the day. All right, and I'm just going to dip these ends. And voila. I forgot to show y'all a step, which is when I add in the Murray's gel lock. Okay, so I just take a little bit, enough to kind of wet it up. This will add, like, your hair will be kind of hard, like it'll be locked in place. Okay, so before you use this, you have to be mindful that this is a gel and it is going to do what it says. It's going to lock your hair in place once it dries. So if you don't want it to lock your hair into place like I do, don't use it. Use like an Eco Styler gel or your normal jam. I don't use jam because it is too slippery. Like, I tried around my edges, and baby girl, I was about to quit. I was about to quit, y'all, because that stuff was too slippery, and these nails, it was like kryptonite. All right, take it. Add it to one piece. Continue to braid it on down until we got it fully locked in place. And then we're going to rope twist it. Making sure we twist not only the twist, but you also twisting the hair as you're installing it to get a cleaner and tighter twist. That's like so. I thought about using the blue all over my hair, y'all, but see, I ain't ready for all of that. I am not ready for all of that. Maybe later on, as the summer goes on, because this particular brand, the Nora, it comes in pink, y'all. It comes in this vibrant blue, the red, the purple. They have the solid blue where it's not ombre. You know, of course, your normal colors. Like, I have been looking for ombre, and I was like, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Janet Collection. Thank you, Janet Collection. You know, y'all know what a sister need. I don't know if it comes in green though, but I know they do have that pink. So if you're looking for something for the summer, yes, honey. They also have a brighter red. Like this red, excuse me, this red is not the brightest that it comes in, y'all. Like, it comes in this color red. Like, okay, I guess that does look like that, but this is like way brighter, like a fiery red. I thought about trying that too, but nah. I'm gonna say that for next time, maybe. Voila. All right, we're just gonna continue to twist in the rest of this. Get us a shot of that back. All right, I'm gonna add some more blue. I think I need to add the blue closer towards the center. Cause see how that kind of falls? Like, you got blue and then blue, but I want blue coming down the middle. So I think I need to add a blue closer up here towards the top.